Hey guys, this is Sopmimer here. Thank you for watching my GrowViral review and thank you for giving your valuable time to watch this video, because time is more valuable than money. I always said that and I really believe on that. So in this video I will show you the product from inside. Basically this product is very simple but very effective. There are so many features inside this product, given inside this product. I will show you one by one, and also I will give you a detailed walkthrough about this product. This is the dashboard. This dashboard seems like there is very spaces in their dashboard. There are not so much stuffs inside dashboard, but I will show you where are the options and what is this tool. So before getting into this tool, let me just give you a short description about this tool. So GrowViral is all about getting the viral traffic via the referral system. Sometimes you have seen that there are so many referral and point based system that people run, and also just friend always refer their friend to get the tool for some rewards. Okay, so on that principle this tool works. So before getting into this tool, let me just show you my bonuses a little bit faster. I always try to give some bonuses with each and every product, and that bonuses are simple, but those bonuses are really effective. And let me show you. So this is the timer. This timer is strictly followed, and once the timer runs out, there will be very much chances to not getting the bonuses. Like these bonuses will be vanished, and once you have just missed the timer, then you can click here and you can go to my Facebook page named as Sopmimer, and from there you can message me after purchasing the product. Then you will be given the bonuses. Okay, the link of the bonuses. So my bonus number 1 is how to be a successful affiliate marketer. This is all about how to be a successful affiliate marketer. Just one rule, but that is hard, because I have mentioned here that is hard because that takes time, that takes patience, really that examines patience, and I am also following that. I am not a successful affiliate marketer until now, but I am doing it, I am pursuing it, I am still struggling, but I know that I know that every marketer has followed their rule, and I am still following, and you have to follow if you want to, and that thing is cleared inside this pack. And I have mentioned here hard because it takes time, it really examines your patience. Okay, so inside bonus 2 you will be given the Thrive visual editor. That is a premium version of Thrive Architect, and Thrive you can check out inside internet. Maybe it is charging near about $19 per month or $47 quarterly, something like that. So that will be given to you totally free. The Thrive Visual Editor 2.3.0 totally given to you free. And my bonus number 3 is find your niche, like 100 niche blogs. More than this pack is more than like 5 gigabyte pack, and inside this pack you will be given every kind of niche blog posts. Just you can grab them and you can publish it on your website, and you will be getting traffic from the day one, just instantly from the very first hour you will be getting traffic. 100 plus ready-made niche blogs to enrich your website. My bonus number 4 is Backup Buddy. Once you have started using the blogs and you are running the website, you just need a backup, and that is why I have given these bonuses inside bonus 4. And the Backup Buddy, this is really a popular WordPress plugin, and that will help you to get the backup, and it is a premium tool. Okay, so that will be given to you totally free. Inside bonus 5 you will be given the mini site builder. It is also a site builder, and it can help you. You can just make your clients by giving the service of site building. And inside bonus 6 you will be given conversion timer. That is a premium tool, also WordPress plugin, and if you are running WordPress, then that will be helpful for you, otherwise that is not. And there is a research that shows that conversion timer increases the rate of conversion like 5,000%. Okay, so that is why these kind of bonuses. And if you just notice, you will be seen here. You will just notice here that all of the bonuses are related to websites, because this product is all about website and getting traffic from website. So my bonus number 7 is vendor bonus bundle. This is a by default bonus. If you purchase the product from anywhere on the earth, you will be given these bonuses. Like let me show you. From the vendor you will be given these bonuses. The number one is social media toolkit and white label rights to social pop-up, and the bonus 3 is white label rights to 50 video backgrounds, and bonus number 4 is delicious flat icons, and bonus number 5 is 100 call to action marketing strategies, and bonus number 6 is launch checklist, WP visitor chat, 8 is marketing graphics toolkit version 2, and that was the bonuses. Kind of 8 bonuses will be given to you totally free from the vendors, and these bonuses are also valuable bonuses. I think most of the affiliates will be offering you these bonuses, and I think most of the affiliates will be offering you. If you can check out the other bonuses, other affiliate bonuses, and then you can come back to me if you just find out that the bonuses which I am giving you, these are really valuable. And inside my bonus number 8, as usual, the upsell bonuses. If you purchase the upsell of this product, you will be given this pack, this bonus pack, like more softwares, more images, more software, more graphics, and that kind of stuffs will be given to you totally free. Inside this package you will be given more than 200 softwares. So that was the bonuses. Now let me show you the product a little bit faster. I don't want to make the video lengthy. Okay, so inside this dashboard you can see this is the only one and only option, that is create campaign. You can click on create campaign, but this is a previously done campaign. This was created by me. Let me start with the create campaign. Let me put any random name, but let me clear you, if you put any random name, that will be a bad thing for you, because you just want to do also SEO kind of metadata. That is why you have to put your niche keyword always inside create campaign. Then you can click on create. So it will take some time and it will be creating your campaign. So inside, this is the main thing. After that option, the main dashboard comes here. So you can see the first option is reward points. So if you are referring someone, then you will be just then there will be some points. Okay, if someone refers this product or your website link to someone, then there will be point. You can choose the points from here, and you can choose your rewards. You can just put your rewards. You can put it as a digital file, like video tutorial course or something like that. You can put any power connect, like just one link of your bonus page. You can paste the link, or you can put it other, like you can upload a digital file, you can upload any link, or other. Inside other you can just put any code, like coupon code, like Black Friday sale or something like that written here. You can check, you can do that inside this reward section. And inside this grand prize section, you can put the criteria when someone be getting the prize. What is the maximum reward point they have to give you to get the prize. Okay, like you can put your winners by yourself. You can put the winner randomly, like most of the YouTuber doing the thing, like they just put the winner randomly from their comments. And you can choose any criteria also, like how many recipients will be the winner, something like that. You can put the numbers here. And the next thing is designer, and this is a very vital thing and main thing. I think this is the main option. So you can add your form here. Let me show you if the other forms is shown up here. So the other forms are shown up here inside your landing page, your web page or opt-in page or your website. The form will be shown up here. Okay, so this is the forms you can see here. This is not zooming here, but I can't zoom it here. So you can change the form, you can put that, and you can just do the other designing things. I don't want to explain that more, because I know you know better than me these things. And after that, the next option is, let me just click on the back section. Okay, sorry, I have clicked on the back and it has come to the dashboard. So this is the designer section, and after that you can do the social media or SEO thing. Okay, so this is the social media SEO thing, and like you can put your title on your keyword, you can put the description, and the most vital thing is you can put any images inside it. You can edit them, like if you are promoting any ice cream product or products or any cold drinks product, that images should be catchy. Let me put here ice cream, and let me show you some images. So the images should be catchy. Someone is eating ice cream, something like that, and you can put the image here, and you can share that thing inside social media places. and this is an email notification thing. The next option is email notification. You can just start the new leads, capturing the leads, and the leads will be captured like autoresponder. All autoresponder facilities are given inside this tool, and you have nothing to worry, you have nothing to integrate if you don't want to. Okay, so this is the email settings and SMTP settings. You can send out the emails from here freely, and this is a tracking code, Google tracking code or Facebook tracking code. And the other additional configuration, inside additional configuration you can just adjust the reward, the tournament date, the reward system date, something like that. And this is the installation feature, last feature. This is the installation feature. You can just get the embed code and you can paste that on your landing page. This was the options, and this is the promote. So this was the setup section only. So this is the promote section. Inside promote section you can put here if you want to, if you are running any autoresponders, if you are paying any autoresponders, you can integrate, you can put the API key here. And this is a lead capturing page. Once your lead will be captured, they will be shown up here. And this is the fraud section. I don't know what is fraud section, maybe the spam links or maybe the unsubscribed links. And this is the analytics. Okay, so this is the analytics. Once you have started running your campaigns, then the analytics will be shown up. I have not run any campaign inside this tool. I am just using this tool, and this tool is just launching on the I will show you the date and time also, 11 AM and 16 of Feb. Okay, so let me show you now other stuffs like review and all of the stuffs, rating and sales funnel, and most probably I have shown my bonuses. So the inside the overall rating, it has got 9.7, which is an extremely outstanding rating, and feature and facilities 99%, performance 98, ease of use 96, value for money 94, market hits 96, and overall I have shown you. So there are two pricing categories like personal and commercial. Both of the categories are mentioned here, the features are mentioned here, but there will be only one difference inside both of the categories. The personal category will be for one person, for personal use only, and the commercial category will be for business uses. Okay, otherwise everything is same inside these two packages. Okay, and these are the coupon codes. Okay, if you don't want to get the product in 47 bucks, if you want to get it for 37 bucks or for 57 bucks, the commercial product, you can just get the purchases tool on the exact date, like 16th February is the exact date when you can get the product at the cheapest cost. Okay, so this is the $10 coupon. You can use the coupon code and you will be given the $10 discount. And also this is the time, the New York time, 11 AM EST, and you can mark the time Tuesday 16 February, the Saturday. From Tuesday to Saturday the launch period will be run, and this is the guarantee period, 30 days no satisfaction guarantee will be given to you additionally if you want to refund. Okay, so basically the refund section is totally scrutinized by the platform, the Zevizu platform from where you are purchasing the tool. So that is why you should have nothing to worry. I think there will be 7 days, and inside 7 days if you are want to refund, then Zevizu will scrutinize that. Okay, so these are some additional descriptions about this tool. And also if you want to know more, I can't show you this thing that this is the demo thing. This is the once you have just integrated your website, inside your website the embedded link, then that will be shown up like this. Okay, that will be shown up like this. I can't show you, but I want to show you inside this video. If it let me play it. Okay, so once someone just put the email link and just click on register, so it is so they will be given this referral and also these points. Okay, once they refer inside Facebook, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, that will be running the viral traffic. Okay, and also this is the product owner, and in my words, inside my word section I always write down the things which is cordially come to my mind. Okay, so these are the things I have mentioned here totally, that I strongly recommend any website but who has a moderate to extreme traffic. Okay, obviously you need traffic if you want to run the referral system or point system. So that is why I just guide you. I want to guide you, or I want to recommend to them who has moderate or extreme traffic. And this was the upsells, sorry, this is the upsells, like front end product, both of them I have already told you. And inside upsell one, you can get the product within $37 per month or $197 per year, but the price will be also risen up for this section for upsell one also, if you just missed out the launch period. And if you purchase the upsells, you will be given more bonuses as the upsells are costlier. Okay, so the GrowViral Founder and all of the things are mentioned here. If you want to, you can check out. I want you to visit my website and also to get the product from my website, because I am an affiliate of this tool. And also the description is given, the link is given inside the description, sorry. So the Upsell 2 is GrowViral Professional feature, and Upsell 3 is GrowViral Agency, and the GrowViral Funnels. Sorry, this is the last upsell number 4. So I have cleared you the bonus and all other stuffs, I think, about the product. So I should sign out now from the video, and you will be given automatically the link of the bonuses, so you should have nothing to worry for the bonuses. So that was my overview of this product and also GrowViral review. So I think I should sign out now. So I am signing out for the video, so I'm wrapping up the video. So bye bye.